the soul can feel. Drum and bass begin to heal. Truth in echo, sound so real. Deep in our roots where silence stay. Reverb guide the righteous way. Every delay, a word we pray. Dub is life, no other say. Other say. Smoke of Zion, roll and roll. Light the mind, feed the soul. Through the echo, Jah control. Dub eternal, make us whole. Candle flicker on the board. Spirit dance, no spoken word. In a deep bass, the truth is heard. Just speak without a sword. Zion, Zion, smoke in the air. Dub of the ancient, Jah everywhere. Jah, Jah, Earth Child. never gone, 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 never gone. Bless the morning sun, bless the herb of life. Jah wine move through sound and sight. Green leaves grow by the window pane, roots deep down where the soul remains. I breathe the earth, I feel no pain. A double life inside my vein. Smoke rise slow, the spirit speak. Baseline strong, but the heart stay meek. Jah whisper soft, I listen deep. Through the echo, my soul I keep. Herb of life, heal my mind. Love of peace, pure and kind. Roots of earth, love divine. Jah vibration intertwined. Candle glow, the day turns gold. Every tone a story told. The earth reveal the truth of old. Do eternal, never cold. Herb of light, China the sound. Peace surround, all around. Yeah, spirit of the sound, face of creation all around. From the smoke just shape the air, every echo a holy prayer. Deep inside the rhythm's lair, don't reveal what truth declare. Drop the drum, let silence speak. River roll through mountain peak. Baseline rumble, heart still weak. Jah vibration strong and deep. Spirit of rise and roll. Lift the heart, cleanse the soul. Through delay, Jah take control. Sound eternal, full and whole. Just spirit shine, pure and bright. Drumbeat fall like mountain rain. Wash my soul, release my pain. Echo call my name again. Dub of life inside my vein. Breath of Jah flowing out the sound. Herb of Zion healing all around. Roots of the earth, truth profound. Dub eternal Jah bound. Fire glow and smoke arise. I see Jah light behind my eye. In every drop the truth lies. Dub reveal what never dies. Ja, 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 ja. Roots everywhere. Roots in the air. Life everywhere. Sunlight touched my wooden floor. Smoke drifts slow through open door. Every sound I can't ignore. Dub of Zion speak once more. everywhere, dubbing the prayer, root forever there.
Fire burns slow,
Just spirit flow. In the chalice, the truth I know. Smoke refined through the golden sky. Baseline hum and time pass by. I lift my eyes, I feel so high. Not in the body, the soul can fly. Fly, 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 fly. Light of the chalice, warm and bright. Heart of Zion, shine tonight. Every beat a sacred right. Don't reveal Jah pure inside. Light of the chalice, burn within. Cleansing fire, wash my sin. Roots of life where love begins. Jah vibration deep in skin. Echo roll through valley deep. Spirit rise while body sleep. I and I the promise keep. The eternal silence sweet. Ja, 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 ja. Ja, 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 ja. Light of a challenge. Burn on, burn on. Till the night is gone. The drum is speaking. Jah whisper through the song. Yeah. Another night when all is still. Baseline move like mountain will. Smoke rise slow upon the hill. Dub reveal what silence feel. Spirit call through echo deep. Shadows dance while angels weep. Drum beat wake the soul from sleep. Jah vibration the heart shall keep. Whisper of the drum, Jah call my name. Fire and sound it feel the same. In the dub I find no shame. Roots eternal, no more pain. Why I be song reclaim. Dub of Zion never tame. Drum, drum, whisper on and on. Java's in the dawn. Dub live, even when I'm gone. Peace in the soul, roots vibration all around. Sun come down on my window frame, smoke rise slow, call your name. Baseline deep, it feel the same. Dub and herb become one flame. Green and gold in the evening air, Rasta heart with no despair. Every sound I hold a prayer, Jah presence everywhere. Yeah, soul of the earth, guide my way. Dub of Zion, night and day. Roots of life never fade away. Jah love forever stay. Drumbeat roll, the time slow down. Echo travel through the town. Spirit rise from underground. Dub of truth, the sacred sound. Yeah. Ja, 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 soul of the earth, light of the earth, forever rebirth. Smoke of Zion, rising of the sky, Jah wind passing by. From the fire Jah reveal every sound the soul can feel. Drum and bass begin. chants, no spoken word. In a deep bass the truth is heard. Just speak without a sword. Zion, Zion, smoking out the air. Dub of the ancient, Jah everywhere. Send the light grow dim. In the echo, Jah call him. Dub is truth, not him. Earth chant dub, roll and roll. Heavy vibration heal the soul. Jah frequency take control. Roots and spirit make us whole. Jah, Jah, Earth chant, never gone, 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 never I listen deep. Through the echo, my soul I keep. Herb of life, heal my mind. About a light, join the sound. We surround all around. Yeah, spearing at the sound, base of creation all around. From the smoke just shape the air, every echo a holy prayer. Deep inside the rhythm's lair, don't reveal what truth declare. Drop the drum, let silence speak. River roll through mountain peak. Baseline rumble, heart still weak. Jah vibration strong and deep. Spirit of rise and roll and roll. Lift the heart, cleanse the soul. Through delay, Jah take control. Sound eternal, full and whole. Firelight glow and mix of chrome. Tape wheel spin like sacred tone. I and I within the tone. Jah live in every cone. Rise, rise, spirit of a rise. Jah light in the sound. Forever it resounds. Through a wind blow, through the valleys flow. Who will bring a song I know? Herb leaves sway in the morning light. Baseline on in peaceful mind. I close my eyes, I feel so right. Just spirit shine, pure and bright. Drum beat fall like mountain rain. Wash my soul, release my pain. I see your light behind my eye. In every drop, the truth lies. Dub reveal what never dies. Sunlight touched my wooden floor. Smoke drifts slow through open door. Every sound I can't ignore. Dub of Zion speak once more. Your love everywhere, dubbing the prayer, root forever there.
Fire burns slow, just spirit flow. In the chalice, the truth I know. More.
baseline hum and time pass by. I lift my eyes, I feel so high. Not in the body, the soul can fly. Fly, 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 fly. Light of the chalice, warm and bright. Heart of Zion, shine tonight. Every beat a sacred right. Don't reveal Jah pure inside. Light of the chalice, burn within. Cleansing fire, wash my sin. Roots of life where love begins. Jah vibration deep in skin. Echo roll through valley deep. Spirit rise while body sleep. I and I the promise keep. The eternal silence we. Ja, 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 ja. Ja, 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 ja. Light of a challenge. Burn on, burn on. Till the night is gone. The drum is speaking. Jah whisper through the song. Yeah. Another night when all is still. Baseline move like mountain hill. Smoke rise slow upon the hill. Don't reveal what silence feel. Spirit call through echo deep. Shadows dance while angels weep. Drum beat wake the soul from sleep. Jah vibration the heart shall keep. Whisper of the drum, Jah call my name. Fire and sound it feel the same. In the dub I find no shame. Roots eternal, no more pain. Mix a glowing candle flame. Rasta chant the holy name. Through delay the song reclaim. Dub of Zion never tame. Drum, drum. Whisper on and on. Jah voice in the dawn. Don't believe even when I'm gone. Oh. vibration all around. Sun come down on my window frame. Smoke rise slow, call your name. Baseline deep, it feel the same. Dub and herb become one flame. Green and gold in the evening air. Rasta heart with no despair. Every sound I holy prayer. Jah presence everywhere. Yeah. Soul of the earth, guide my way. Dub of Zion.